Doc Alpi, magpa-birthday. Imbitado tayong lahat. Narito ang mga greetings.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Alfie. Happy birthday,
Tita Happy!
We love you.
Mama! Chup-chup!
Yo, happy birthday Sis Alpi, Doc. Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Wish ko many more success in life and good health. Stay young and humble. Maraming salamat sa friendship. Napaka-cool niyong mag-asawa. Many more rides and bonding to come. And yan, enjoy natin yung night. Araw mo to, and lagi mong tandaan, nandito yung saksa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dearest Alpi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sis Alpi. More blessings to come and always keep safe. Okay? Bye.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. I wish you always good health and happiness in life. Sana mas humaba pa yung time na magkakasama tayo dito. And enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Doc!
Hello! Mapagpalang gabi po sa ating lahat. Gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday ang aking napakagandang ninang, Doc Alpi. Ayan, pabansang ninang, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Naway bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessing ng ating Panginoon. Magpalain po kayo lagi. Yan lang, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninang!
Hello, Doc Sis Alpi. Happy birthday po. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming kaarawan at blessings sa buhay mo, lalong-lalo na sa pamilya mo. At sana po stay sweet with Kuya Founder Joseph. Alam ko, alagaan ka ng mabuti ng aming gwapong founder at isa kong kuya sa Agila. Happy birthday po! Enjoy your day! Happy birthday!
Magandang gabi. On behalf of my wife and my mom, Dr. Alpi, gusto ko lang po sabihin sa iyo na we wish you very happy 50th birthday. May your days be as bright as your heart and golden as this incredible milestone to you. And cheers to 50th wonderful years to you, Doktora. And ulitin ko ulit, happy birthday sa'yo. At tayo magpakasaya at maglasingan. Salamat!
Hello po, Dr. Alfie. Happy birthday po. Ay, good job, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Doktora. Happy birthday to you.
Takas birthday greetings lang. Okay, so happy birthday Dr. Alfie. Nagte-thank you agad. Wala pa naman akong binabalot. Ayan, so happy birthday po. Hope you enjoy your birthday today. Yan, sa party ng 50th celebration mo. Kasama ang Saksa family and mga friends in the industry of celebrity world, you know. Yan. So happy birthday po. Sana enjoy mo and stay beautiful po inside and out. So I'm grateful na nakilala ko po kayo. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday, Doktora! Let's rock and roll!
Magandang araw ngayong araw na to dahil may babatiin tayong napaka-espesyal ng aming grupo at
Aming news.
Isa sa pinakamagandang doktora
Sa Malatang Lupa.
Yes.
Ay,
Happy birthday,
Happy
Doc
birthday
Alfie.
po, Doc Alfie.
Mabuhay and God bless
Enjoy your
you.
day.
More birthday to come.
Ayun, sa aming very talented at very humble Doc Alfie. Wishing you a happy birthday. And may your year ahead be filled of success, happiness, and good health. God bless po palagi sa inyo ni Sir George. Nawa ay marami pa po kayong mapasayang tao. At naway ibigay ni Lord yung lahat ng pinagpipray nyo. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Doc Alfie. Enjoy your day.
To my Latina pamangkin, happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, ate! Oh, wish you more blessings, good health, stay pretty, and
God bless.
God bless.
Happy birthday,
We love
love
you so
you.
much. Mama, uwi ka na at ang kuya.
Happy birthday, Tita Api. Have a good health. I love you. Enjoy.
You too.
Hi, Mommy Api. Happy birthday, Mommy Api. This is for you. Happy birthday, Mommy Api. Happy birthday, Mommy Api. Happy birthday, Mommy Api. Happy birthday, Mommy Api. I love you, Mommy Api. Thank you, Mommy Api. Take care, Mommy Api. I miss you. I miss you, Mommy Api. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Alpi. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Mami Happy. Ingat ka palagi. Thank you so much. Love you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Tita Api.
Wish you all the best in life and be more beautiful as the days goes by. Ewan ko.
Happy 50th birthday, Cass. Wishing you all the best, more birthdays and blessings to come. Enjoy your day. Take care. Hope to see you soon. Love you.
Hi, Insan Alfie. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health. Thank you sa lahat-lahat ng naitulong mo sa amin. Lalong-lalo na kay nanay. Mag-ingat ka lagi. More gigs sa inyong banda. Saka sa karir mo. Love you.
Hi Alpi, happy birthday. Sana marami pang biyaya galing sa taas dumating sa'yo. By the way, nagpapahatid rin ng pagbati si Toto Boy mo at saka si Tita Narseng pati si Bochi. Happy birthday daw sa'yo. Oh anak, basta always stay healthy, happy, syempre wealthy, and always be pretty. I love you so much. God bless us. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mami Alpi. Happy birthday po. Thank you sa lahat-lahat and especially sa love. And I wish sana maging happy ka always and always stay healthy. May mag-greet din. Hello, happy birthday din daw. Love ko po namin. And sana umuwi na kayo agad. Kasi miss na kayo. Miss na namin kayo. Love you. Meow meow.
Happy birthday, Alpi! Happy 50th birthday! Matanda ng anak ko pala eh. Salamat sa lahat-lahat ha! Tumanda ka na ng dahil sa akin. Thank you anak ko. Love you! Happy birthday!
Hi, happy birthday. Thanks for everything. naduduktungan mo ang buhay namin. Salamat, thank you very much. God bless you, anak. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ali!
Hi, happy birthday. Binabati ka namin sa iyong karawan. Golden ka na, no? So, maraming salamat sa pagiging generous mo, and we are so proud of you sa lahat ng narating mo, and nawa ay mabless ka palalo kasama ng iyong mga pamilya. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday to you. We love you, and mag-ingat kayo dyan.
Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Hi, Han. Happy golden years. I love you.
Another year, it's your big day. Candles light up the party way. Smiles are shining, the crowd's alive. We're here for you, it's your time to thrive.